What if I told you that building wealth does not start with money? It starts before money. Because if you have $0 right now, the worst thing you can believe is, I can't start yet. That belief keeps people stuck for years. They wait until they earn more. They wait until life gets easier. They wait until debt is gone. They wait until the perfect moment. But the truth is, most wealthy people did not start wealthy. They started with habits, skills, discipline, and a plan. So if you feel broke, behind, or stuck at zero, this video will show you the real first steps to building wealth from nothing. Not fake motivation. A practical blueprint. Starting with $0 feels heavy. You look at your bank account and feel embarrassed. You see people online making money and feel behind. You work hard but still feel like you're not moving. You want to invest, but you barely have enough for bills. You want to save, but life keeps taking your money. And the most painful part. You feel like wealth is only for people who already have money. But that is not fully true. Money helps, yes. But money is not the first asset. Your first asset is your ability to create value. Because if you have no money, you need to build the thing that creates money. That means skills, time control, better habits, better decisions, and eventually, income. The goal is not to magically become rich overnight. The goal is to move from survival mode to builder mode. Imagine a 23-year-old named Alex. Alex has $0 saved. He works a regular job. His paycheck disappears fast. He has no investments. He has credit card debt. And every month feels the same. Work. Get paid. Spend. Stress. Repeat. One night, Alex checks his bank account. Balance, $3.42. He feels defeated. His first thought is, I'll never be rich. But instead of giving up, Alex makes one decision. I may have no money, but I can still start building. So he does something simple. For 7 days, he tracks every dollar he spends. He realizes he's losing money on food delivery, random subscriptions, impulse buys, and convenience spending. Then he cancels 2 subscriptions. He starts cooking simple meals. He saves $20 from his next paycheck. Not a lot. But it proves something important. He is not powerless. Next, he spends 30 minutes every night learning a skill. Copywriting. Sales. Video editing. Coding. Design. Anything that can increase income. After a few months, Alex earns his first $100 from a side skill. Then $300. Then $700. His life does not change instantly. But his direction changes. And direction matters more than speed. That is how wealth starts. Not with millions. With control. The $0 Wealth Blueprint. Step 1. Stop thinking wealth starts with investing. A lot of people think building wealth starts with investing. But if you have $0, investing is not step 1. Step 1 is creating a gap. A gap between what comes in and what goes out. Because if you earn $2,000 and spend $2,000, you have no wealth building power. If you earn $2,000 and keep $100, now you have power. Small power, but real power. Wealth begins when you stop spending everything you earn. Before investing, you need cash flow. Before cash flow, you need control. Step 2. Track your money. If you are starting from $0, your first job is awareness. Track every dollar for 7 days. Not forever. Just 7 days. Write down everything. Food. Transport. Subscriptions. debt payments, snacks, online shopping, random purchases. This shows you where your money is leaking. Most people don't need a complicated budget at first. They need to see the truth. Because you cannot fix what you refuse to look at. Step 3. Cut one money leak. Don't try to change your whole life in one day. Start with one leak. Maybe food delivery. Maybe unused subscriptions. Maybe buying coffee outside. Maybe impulse shopping. Maybe going out too often. Cut one thing and redirect that money. Even saving $25 matters. Why? Because the habit matters more than the amount. You are training yourself to keep money instead of losing it automatically. That is the beginning of financial discipline. Step 4. Build your first emergency fund. Your first wealth goal is not a luxury car. It is not a big house. It is not trying to look rich. Your first goal is protection. Start with a $100 emergency fund. Then $300. Then $500. Then $1,000. This money protects you from going backward. Without emergency savings, every small problem becomes debt. Car repair. Debt. Medical bill. Debt. Late paycheck. Panic. Broken phone. Credit card. An emergency fund gives you breathing room. And when you have breathing room, you make better decisions. Step 5. Increase your income with skills. If you are starting at $0, cutting expenses helps. But you can only cut so much. At some point, you need to earn more. And one of the best ways to earn more is by learning a skill. Not random motivation. A real skill people pay for. Examples: video editing, sales, copywriting, graphic design, coding, social media management, AI tools, bookkeeping, customer support, content writing. Pick one skill. Practice it daily. Build proof. Offer it to people. Your skill can become your second income. And your second income can become your wealth-building engine. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's where many people fail. They start earning more. Then immediately spend more. New clothes. New phone. Better apartment. More eating out. More subscriptions. More expensive lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it keeps people broke even when their income grows. If your income goes up, but your spending goes up too, you are still trapped. So when you earn more, don't upgrade everything immediately. Save more first. Pay debt faster. Build your emergency fund. Invest later. Use income growth to buy freedom, not just comfort. Step 7. Start investing only after you have stability. Investing is powerful. But investing while your life is unstable can be stressful. Before investing seriously, focus on basic budget, emergency fund, high-interest debt plan, stable income, extra cash flow. Once those are in place, you can start learning about long-term investing. Things like index funds, retirement accounts, and compound growth. But remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick button. It is a long-term wealth tool. The goal is not gambling. The goal is ownership. You want your money to eventually work while you sleep. But first, you need money left over. If you are starting with $0, here are 5 practical moves. 1. Track spending for 7 days. You need clarity before change. 2. Save your first $100. Small emergency money creates confidence. 3. Cut one repeated expense. One leak fixed is progress. 4. Learn one income skill for 30 minutes daily. Your skills can create money. 5. Use extra income to build stability first. Don't increase your lifestyle too fast. So here's the truth. Starting with $0 is hard. But it is not hopeless. You may not control your past. You may not control the economy. You may not control what your parents taught you. You may not control every emergency. But you can control your next move. You can track your spending. You can save your first dollar. You can learn a skill. You can stop one bad habit. You can build one better routine. Wealth is not built in one dramatic moment. It is built through small actions repeated long enough. Your first $100 matters. Your first skill matters. Your first side income matters. Your first month of discipline matters. Because once you prove to yourself that you can build from zero, zero no longer scares you. So comment below, I'm starting today. And if you want simple stick figure lessons about money, self-improvement, and escaping poverty, subscribe to Money Sketch. Because you don't need to be rich to start. But you do need to start to become rich.